Welcome to QuizRad, the best place for fun, interactive quizzes. In today's video, we're tackling one of the trickiest parts of English grammar, verb tenses. Whether you're speaking, writing, or just trying to avoid embarrassing mistakes, mastering tenses is key. This quiz will challenge your grammar skills with 25 questions and 10 seconds per question. Let's see if you can get them all right. But before that, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to QuizRad in 3, 2, 1. Ready? Let's go! Which sentence is correct? She goes to school every day. Or, she go to school every day. She goes to school every day. Which is the correct past tense? He eats his lunch. Or, he ate his lunch. He ate his lunch. Which sentence is in future tense? I will call you later. Or, I called you later. I will call you later. Did you know race car and level are palindromes? They read the same forwards and backwards. Which sentence is correct? They were happy yesterday. Or, they was happy yesterday. They were happy yesterday. Would you rather always use past tense incorrectly or future tense incorrectly? Which option did you choose? Comment down below. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. Which is the correct continuous tense? She cooks dinner right now. Or, she is cooking dinner. She is cooking dinner. Can you guess the famous person by emoji? You are right, it's J.K. Rowling. Which sentence is in perfect tense? I finished my homework now. Or, I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. Which sentence is in the past tense? We saw a movie last night. Or, we see a movie last night. We saw a movie last night. Which sentence is correct? She has gone to the market. Or, She has went to the market. She has gone to the market. Let's solve this riddle. You hear me before I'm spoken. I change with time, but leave no trace. I shape every story, but I have no face. What am I? Grammar. Would you rather never use past tense or never use future tense? Which option did you choose? Comment down below. Which is correct? They will arriving soon. Or they will be arriving soon. They will be arriving soon. Which sentence is correct? He doesn't like coffee. Or he don't like coffee. He doesn't like coffee. It's memory time. Remember the positions of these images. Okay, now tell me, this image is on which number? Yes, you are right! Which sentence is in future perfect tense? I will finish my work by 5 p.m. Or, I will have finished my work by 5 p.m. I will have finished my work by 5 p.m. Which sentence is in past continuous? She was watching TV when I called. Or, she watched TV when I called. She was watching TV when I called. Would you rather always use present tense or always use future tense? Tough choice. What's your pick? Can you guess the odd one out? Yes, you found it! Which sentence is in present perfect tense? She is living here for 5 years. Or, she has lived here for 5 years. She has lived here for 5 years. Which sentence is correct? We didn't go to the park. Or, we didn't went to the park. We didn't go to the park. Which is the correct sentence? I slept early last night. Or, I was slept early last night. I slept early last night. Don't forget to comment your score at the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to QuizRad for more fun content and share it with your friends to help increase their knowledge. Which sentence is correct? She will studying at 8 p.m. Or she will be studying at 8 p.m. She will be studying at 8 p.m. Would you rather speak only in past tense or only in future tense forever? Tough choice. What's your pick? Which sentence is correct? By next year, I will have completed my degree. Or, by next year, I will completed my degree. By next year, I will have completed my degree. True or false time? Is this statement true or false? The English language has more words than any other language. Yes, you are right, it's true. English has absorbed words from many languages, giving it an extensive vocabulary. Which sentence is correct? I am knowing the answer. Or, I know the answer. I know the answer. Which sentence is correct? He was running when it started raining. Or, he run when it started raining. He was running when it started raining. Which sentence is in future continuous tense? I will travel next week. Or, I will be traveling next week. I will be traveling next week. Who would you kiss, marry, or kill? Let's hear your choices. Sabrina Carpenter, Billie Eilish, Olivia Rodrigo. What did you choose? Let us know in the comments. Would you rather always use the wrong tense or never be able to use verbs at all? This is a tough one. What's your final answer? Quiz over. Did you master those tricky tenses? Share your funniest grammar mistakes in the comments. For more language learning fun, subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next one.